Hello everybody, I hope all you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we'll be talking about possible tropical storm Beryl that's forming in the same place as the last tropical storm. We're also going to talk about why this system didn't develop, some rain, a lot of rain that is going through the Caribbean, and these strong tropical waves that are going to be going through. So let's get right into it. So, the National Hurricane Center has given this 50% chance in the next 2 days and next 7 days. But clearly, this is going to be forming between tonight and tomorrow. It has a very small window. It was actually 60% yesterday, but it went down because it's taking a while to form. It's a lot of disorganized showers. This one actually had a pretty high chance yesterday to form too, but it just didn't have those characteristics. But they did confirm there was a close circulation, so I don't know if they'll go back to that and name that. I think it'll just be classified as a tropical depression. So this one will be forming between tonight and tomorrow, like I said. And there's also a chance that we could have another tropical system form in the Caribbean by next week. So if we take a look at the GFS model, we'd be rolling a little bit more. This system right here, it could get a name. It could just be a tropical depression. But anyways, it will still bring quite a bit of rain to Mexico and to Texas again. And we go a little bit further, and we can see a lot of tropical waves going through the Caribbean. And we can see that another system right here again next week. All of this from a tropical wave all the way going to into the Gulf of Mexico, and it could form in exact same area again. And you can see right over here, there's also another spin up or another low pressure area that is starting to spin up, right a little bit far away from the Caribbean, but there's going to be a lot of tropical activity right now since the wind shear is letting up a little bit. And so that's going to be a lot of things to monitor by next week. Taking a closer look to the system right here, we can clearly see the spin up. But we don't know if it's going to organize fast enough to be called to have a name system. And the next name will be Beryl. And this could get it. There is that small window, but there's also a chance it doesn't come. And then this is the next system that could come by next week. I looked at all the models, and there's really only some formation from the GFS model. The European model only seen a bit of rain here, but there's it's still quite far away to can tell. The Canadian actually sees development in the Caribbean, like an actual tropical system in the Caribbean, but that's the Canadian is not that reliable. But I gotta look at all the models and take all the closest information as possible. So there is gonna be a buildup of rain here, next week. But is it gonna be a tropical storm? We don't know. We just gotta wait and see how close it gets to it. Now for some forecasts. Okay, clearly there's the system right here, so Texas and Mexico is gonna get some rain. There is a little bit of rain in the Central America by Belize, El Salvador, so they could get some rain. There is quite a bit of rain over here by Panama, and Costa Rica will get some of that tomorrow. There's a flare up over here by Jamaica and Haiti. So Cuba, the Bahamas, Dominican Republic, and Jamaica could get some showers today. Puerto Rico as well. Not much over here by the Virgin Islands. Trinidad and Tobago is going to get quite a bit of rain today, so stay safe. Over here by Barbados, over here I don't have it on this map, but Barbados also gets some rain. But yeah, that's practically the forecast. There's a lot of rain right now in the Caribbean, and with the tropical waves, we'll be expecting a lot more rain by next week. Since there are going to be stronger tropical waves, there's chance of development, like I said earlier in this video. We can see these strong tropical waves going off of Africa right now. These are the ones. This This is the one that I think it's gonna be heading towards the Gulf of Mexico, and that's what the GFS saying that will form. But we gotta just wait and see. There's not really much else to talk about because this system doesn't form. There is gonna be some rain in Georgia, Florida, and possibly South Carolina. And I think that's it for this video. There's gonna be a lot more activity tomorrow. I'm gonna be praying for all you guys. I hope you guys are gonna be safe over there by Texas and Mexico. Even though if this system does not get a name, it does not matter. There's gonna be still a lot of rain, and so that's really the only problem about this tropical storm or possible tropical storm. So that is it. Hope all you guys are gonna have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next one.